Atishi Singh is all set to take over after Arvind Kejriwal as the Chief Minister, and now we are getting a reaction from Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the BJP. Now, the BJP has ramped up its attacks on the Aam Aadmi Party, accusing Atishi's family of supporting terrorist Afzal Guru, the convict who was hanged to death for conspiring to attack the Parliament in 2001. Now, Manjinder Singh Sirsa has claimed that Atishi's parents fought to save him from execution. The opposition is doubling down on its criticism, linking the Aam Aadmi Party's leadership decision to national security concerns. Now, take a listen into what Manjinder Singh Sirsa told Republic TV.
वो लोग हैं जो देश के अंदर अफजल गुरु जिसने भारत के ऊपर हमला कराया हो, ऐसे लोगों को फांसी से बचाने की वकालत करते थे, आतंकियों का साथ देते थे, देश को तोड़ने की नीति बताते थे कि आधा कश्मीर इधर दे दीजिए, आधा कश्मीर इधर दे दीजिए। ये वो परिवार है, मार्क्सिस्ट और लेनिन आतिशी जी का वो परिवार है। ये वो परिवार है जो कहते थे कि आर्मी को तो सरकार पेंशन देती है, तनख्वाह देती है, तो उनको कंपनसेशन देने की क्या जरूरत है। ये वो लोग हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी खुद शराब घोटाले में देश के पहले ऐसे करप्ट मुख्यमंत्री हैं जिनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बाध्य किया है कुर्सी छोड़ने के लिए। और ऐसे में ये बड़ा स्पष्ट है कि करप्शन के केसेस में दलदल में धंसी हुई आम आदमी पार्टी अब मार्लिना के नाम से सहारा बनाकर निकलना चाहती है। एक मार्क्सिस्ट सोच को देश में लाना चाहती है जो देश के लोग कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे। देश तोड़ने वालों को, आतंकवादियों का साथ देने वालों को ये देश के लोग कभी ना माफ करेंगे ना एक्सेप्ट करेंगे।
My colleague Harsha, tracking on developments, joins us live on the broadcast for more. Harsha, it's not just a BJP, even Swati Maliwal, who is the Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP, she has also raised this. And now we have Manjinder Singh Sirsa also upping the anti-BJP, attacking Atishi and claiming that her parents had in fact fought to save Afzal Guru from execution.
Yes, Rakshita, now political slugfest have indeed started after Atishi Marlena is now chosen as the new Delhi CM by Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, as BJP has upped its ante against Atishi Marlena by stating that how Atishi Marlena and her entire family were that time fighting against the commutation of Afzal Guru and also speaking against the execution of Afzal Guru. The mindset of the Aam Aadmi Party is anti-government and their policies are anti-country, and this clearly indicates that how they will be ruling Delhi, and this is the mindset behind the Aam Aadmi Party and the choice of Arvind Kejriwal, which is Atishi Marlena. Also, Manjinder Singh doesn't stop here. He also comments on the caste of Atishi Marlena by stating that her surname is Marlena. That clearly depicts the thought process and the mindset of the Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, that how their entire policies is against the country and against the citizens of the country. In fact, their own Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal has also raised the concerns on the choice of Arvind Kejriwal to make Atishi Marlena as the new CM of national capital. So right now, political war of words is what here, Rakshita, we are witnessing from across the party line, not only from the Aam Aadmi Party, but parties like BJP is also now speaking and upping its game against Aam Aadmi Party. We have to wait and watch exactly what more voices we will gather the entire day, as more voices from the Aam Aadmi Party has also started coming after Atishi's address from the CM house.